Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to track flight price drops with Skyscanner. It's so simple. First, search the destination that you want and a specific date and the name, number, and age of the travelers and hit on search. Now it will show you different kind of places including their prices like the hotels and the flights. Select a specific location. And now from here, we can see the monthly prices wherein we can use a specific calendar to track the drop of the prices. For example, on the Tuesday, it has a 14.59, while on to the Wednesday, it has a 13.93. You can just simply track the cheapest ones, which is highlighted in blue color. You can also use a chart wherein you can see the price drop or the graph directly from the price of each flights, including the day, the number of the date, and also the months. And that's it. That's how to track flight price drops with Skyscanner. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.